speed up the pace of shifting from manufacturing productivity to manufacturing power, Domestics Enterprises deepens to transition and reform in recent years. The goal is to catch global attention on Made in China. Jinan Darin Machinery Company Limited was established in 2006, majored in development, manufacture, and the sales of food machinery. Since establishment, meeting the demand for customer-oriented is the serving purpose of Darin and commits itself to technological innovation on new range of machinery. Based on several years' market research and with rich and strong R&D strength, Darin Machinery has realized completely automation and intellectualization for food machinery. Darin has consistently grown their global business by delivering good customer service. Now Darin machines are running in more than 50 countries like USA, Germany, Holland, Italy, etc., and access to customers' praise for good quality materials, high precision design, and elegant appearance. Innovation is the vitality of enterprise development. Since establishment, Darin's serving purpose is meeting the demand for customer-oriented and has the capacity to develop world-class machinery with automatic proportioning system, production line, and packing system. Darin Machinery has realized completely automation and intellectualization for food machinery. Since 2001, most machinery from Darin have passed CE certified. In year 2015, Darin initiated new technology like rawhide bone pressing machine, jerky treats forming machine, etc., which leads an important technical revolution for food machine industry and fills the foreign and domestic market blank. In year 2016, Darin Machinery was selected to be founder and vice president of Shandong Pet Industry Association, which was a great boost to pet food machine industry. Innovation mainly due to a professional R&D team who owns cutting-edge technology, advanced design concept, and excellent manipulative skill. Darin owns more than 10 design patents, which promote food machine industry upgrading. An enterprise's success or failure is depending on quality of products. Darin controls the quality from fountainhead and appoints professional talents to purchase high-quality materials like stainless steel, materials meeting food grade, and electric parts certified by UL and CSA. Darin adopts advanced management mode, builds standard protection workshop, combines mechanical processing and manual production to realize excellent design, development, and production. Darin appoints professionals to deal with each working procedure, from drawing design to manual grinding machine parts, from commissioning to after-sales service, strives to achieve excellence and comprehensive service. Unchangeable service purpose of Dariners is to supply machinery with highest quality and finest service for each customer. Darin has a qualified sales team with rich foreign trade experience who accurately observe the market demands and analyzes the development tendency of food machine industry. Darin has set up foreign offices in USA, Italy, Korea, Africa, and East Europe to better serve the customers. The foreign offices are responsible to supply pre-sale consulting service and after-sales service. In the future, Darin will adopt more advanced internet technology, electronic control technology, and software engineering technology to produce food machines to be more intelligent and rapid. With principle of good faith and responsibility, Darin always intends to meet customers' diverse demands, constantly updating the production strategy, enriching service thinking, providing the customer with a customized and humanized product. Darin is a reliable supplier of domestic and foreign customers, All Dariners sustain great social responsibilities and keep sacred mission of Made in China in mind. Let's nurture the world